Caroling is a great part of the Christmas tradition. Here at Serious Football, we'd like to continue that tradition this year. But rather than visit shut-ins or visit hospitals or nursing homes, we're here at Bell's Pet Resort in Halls. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glowed. Then one snowy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. Hey, good job, boys. I hope you really enjoyed the singing and have a great holiday.